Ever opened Canva, found the perfect design, but the font just doesn't feel right? You scroll, 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 and nothing matches your style? What if you could use any font you want instead? In this video, I'll show you how to download custom fonts, upload them to Canva, and use them in seconds. You can get fonts from websites like Envato, DaFont, Google Fonts, Creative Markets, and many more. Some are free, some are premium. Personally, I use Envato because I already have a subscription and it gives me unlimited high-quality fonts. So let's download one. I'll scroll down and pick a font I like. This one looks clean. Click. But before downloading any font from any website, always check one important thing: the license. Some fonts are for personal use only. Some allow commercial use. If you're creating designs for clients, YouTube, or business projects, make sure it's commercially allowed. Since I have a subscription, I can download this one. After downloading, you'll usually get a zip file. Extract or unzip it. Now, open the design where you want to use the font. There are two ways to upload fonts. Here's the first one. Go to Brand Kit. Brand Kit is basically where Canva stores your brand colors, logos, and fonts, so everything stays consistent. Now go to Fonts, click the plus icon, Upload Font. I already have some uploaded. To add a new one, click Add New. Open your extracted folder, and inside you'll see font files like OTF or TTF. We'll use these in Canva. Let's select the OTF file. Confirm the pop-up, and done. Your font is uploaded. Now select your text, open the font list, scroll down. Under Uploaded Fonts, there it is. Click to apply. And boom, font changed instantly. Super easy. Now let me show you the second way. First, I'll download another font from Envato. Go back to Canva, select the text, open the font drop-down, and at the bottom, you'll see Upload a Font. Click it, choose your file. Some fonts come with multiple styles, like regular, bold, italic. You can upload one or all, your choice. Confirm, wait a second, and it's ready. Apply it. And just like that, the font has changed. So that's how you can upload custom fonts to Canva using two simple methods. Just remember one important thing. Always check the license before using fonts in commercial projects. Don't skip this part. It saves you from copyright problems later. If this helped you, hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Canva tutorial.